Okay, and last, at the very bottom, we have squares, right here, which has the most properties because it has all the properties of quadrilaterals, parallelograms, rectangles, rhombi, all put together. Squares does not have any of its own special properties, sadly. It just combines all of these. So here I've drawn a square, and just like a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel, and also like a parallelogram, opposite angles are congruent, which is just like the rectangle where it'll have another property that causes that to be true. And like a parallelogram, these angles will add to equal 180 degrees. The diagonals will bisect each other, just like in a parallelogram. But since this also has the properties of a rectangle, we know that all sides, or all angles, are 90 degrees. Which also causes the opposite angles to be congruent, because if they're both 90, then obviously they're the same and congruent. Because it's a rectangle, these diagonals are also congruent, so they're both equal. Which I can't put any marks on here because I already have tick marks showing that they bisect each other. But we know that these are the same length. And it also has all the properties of a rhombus. One of them being all sides are congruent. So just like in a parallelogram, opposite sides are congruent, but in this one they're all congruent. Like a rhombus, the diagonals bisect these angles. So that means this angle is equal to this angle. And since it's a 90-degree angle being bisected, they're both 45 degrees on either side because it's being bisected. Also, the diagonals are perpendicular, which means that all of these are 90 degrees because that's the same properties as a rhombus has. Okay, I thought there was one more, but that looks like it's it. So there's the properties of a square. It has the most.